Zlite, a brand well known in the education and higher sectors. The folding chair range is one of the key contributing reasons for this success. Available in blue, burgundy and charcoal, the contoured fan back ensures comfort and provides a useful handhold, while the plastic back wraps around the grey metal frame, enhancing the strength of the riveted fixing. The seat has a webbed structure below to provide additional durability and rigidity. The Zlite chair also comes with an option for an integral welded link. This simple method of linking the chairs ensures compliance to fire regulations, and is a lot quicker than using clips. The fold flat frame is very compact, and the entire chair only weighs 3.5 kilograms. Excellent for handling. There are a number of storage trolleys available, including the double and single tier hanging trolleys, as well as the ever popular flatbed stacking trolleys. Contact your Zlite dealer now to inquire about price and availability.